are live. Good evening, folks. Back out after the dinner. Well, when I say after the dinner, uh, half the snack box is still in there waiting to be finished, but we'll go back and deal with it momentarily, to use Donald Trump's favourite word. Uh, just while there is still a bit of daylight at this time of the evening, which sadly and to my utmost upset won't be the case for much longer. I just said I'd come back out and do a little bit of spraying, and I know Susie has slug pellets which we were going to put down around the cabbage, because there's one or two parts of the cabbage crop being absolutely decimated by the little unmentionables, and I don't want to sort of lose them if I can save them at all, because the one crop that the senior citizens in the house are very much looking forward to getting their hands on, because I know they would be actually far bigger fans of cabbage than I would, although uh, it reminds me of a good story actually. The late Sean Nealon, who was an influence on me in so many different ways, actually shortly before he died actually came up with a way by which yours truly actually ended up sort of liking, well, I don't know that I go so far as to say liking, but tolerating cabbage anyway, by way of letting it, well, first of all, frying it on the pan, and then let it go cold altogether, and put it on a big lump of batch loaf with big hairy fat lump of bacon, and I will admit, as the camera lady grimaces at the mere thought of it, if ever there was a countryman's sandwich, it was absolutely that. Now, as I'm sure you will discover at some point, if you haven't already, I have spent most of the day recording a rather long video, the first episode of my weekly sports drive through. And apart from that, we were also doing testing of recording equipment and microphones and sound checks and all sorts of stuff. So, my voice is getting a little bit tired now after been working all day. So, I will leave you be for now and check back in before we head back to headquarters before dark. Is any of that going in at all?
Yes.
Right.
Yep.
Now,
Yeah.
folks, that is all the spraying and a little bit of slug pelleting put down for the day. The other thing I forgot to mention before we broke off the last time, Susie's mother very kindly rang us, well, rang her when I came back from the rehab this evening, and Julie proceeded to meet her halfway between here and there, as they say, and
Because the package was for you.
and the package was for our business, darling.
It was for you. She wouldn't have met halfway. It was just for me.
And uh, we got a delivery of about, oh, there was a heap of different lots of seeds in it, so we'll have plenty of sowing to keep us going over the next days and weeks. And there was also some more sound equipment and recording equipment, so I would be earnestly hoping that um, as good as the progress we have made on the YouTube channel in the last couple of months has been, I would be earnestly hoping that you will see an even greater boost in the quality of our content um, going forward in the not too distant future. Perhaps starting with the one tomorrow, which will um, be a rather special um, piece of film in itself. But for now, I'm going to sign off because I know the light is fading. I've an audience rumbling around behind me, and I'm going in to finish the snack box. So I'll talk to you all soon.